Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video of my YouTube channel. If you are new in my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन इसके वास्ते तेरे साल है मेरा तन मेरा मन ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन जानवन 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 इसकी मिट्टी से बने तेरे मेरे ये वतन इसकी धरती तेरे मेरी वास्ते गगन इसके हमको सिखाए हमको जीने का चलन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन इसके वास्ते तेरे साल है मेरा वतन मेरा मन ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन जानवन 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 Thank you, Miss. Bye.
Morning to all. Respected Principal Sir, Chairman Sir, Vice Principal Miss, teachers, my dear lovely friends. My name is Bandana Devi. At first, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, this is the day for all of us to celebrate and honor our nation. In this day, we should remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters because they devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. As a result of their sacrifices, India got independence from British rule on 15 August 1947. So, let's all work together to make our country the best country in the world. And I would like to say that we must be proud to be Indian. So let's celebrate today with great joy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
my senior secondary school. Now I'm going to talk about Independence Day. Independence Day is the celebration of freedom. India got independence on August 15, 1947. It is our national festival. To celebrate Independence Day, the national flag. On this day, we should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and others. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया